When the sound of war falls upon the world, the restless mind ricochets the question, what to do, what to do, flinches, while need speeds, need streaks past, blurs present, future sparks. Now, 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 at every shock, shock clicks, gun cocks. Snap goes the flag of future in the gusty panic. Is it cold? Is it hot? Sharp? Does it burn? Freeze? Is it safe? Safe as bullets pushing against the bulk of body, as looking straight in the eye of the hollowed out mind, starved for food, for mercy, for recognition. Safe as pain, smiling its story through old scars, as fear hefting all its weapons, loading all its history. Safe as history slammed into the bulk of body. In a protracted instant, in a parade of simultaneous and precise movement, in a celebration of destruction, the sky cracks open, and everything flashes, presses against the back of the eye, burns into the curtain of the brain, and the mind flames up in a whooshing instant. When the sound of war falls upon the world. In this advent of adversity, survivors search with fingers of heart their stony rubble and cannot count the loss. Missing eyes, missing skin, missing bone, missing breath, missing. And still the desperate, bloody go on, still, despite gaining, loss, loss, loss.